Hi, my name is Shyam Firki. I'm going to give a demo on transfer ownership of a CLM service. What is transfer ownership? If the cloud user to whom a service offering instance is assigned to is no longer in the same role or in the same organization, then a cloud administrator or a tenant administrator can transfer the ownership of that service offering instance to another cloud user. After such a transfer, all the relevant objects associated with the service offering instance are also transferred to the new owner. The new owner can now view the service offering instance assigned to him in this BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management My Cloud Services console. So, CLM service after transferring ownership. So, after the successful transferring of ownership, all the related CIs of that CLM service are transferred to the new owner. The new owner now will be charged for that service offering instance. The previous owner will not charge for that service offering instance. The service offering instance owner is changed to new user. The quota of the previous user will be released and the new owner quota will be used for that service offering instance. Eligibility. Only cloud admin and organization admin can perform the transfer ownership of the service offering instance. A cloud administrator can transfer ownership of a service instance to any user within the same or across different tenants. The tenant administrator can transfer the ownership of the service offering instance to the user belonging to the same tenant only. If the cloud tenant administrator is assigned multiple tenants, the administrator can transfer the ownership of SOIs across the tenants. So now we'll look at a demo. So this is my CLM where to transfer So I'm logged in with cloud admin and now I will transfer the under service instances I can see the SOIs. Under service instance we can see the multiple SOIs provision with multiple users. So I'm going to change the owner of this service offering instance. So there are two ways which we can use to transfer the ownership of the SOI. So the one way is the button is provided here on this bar. So on clicking on it, the transfer ownership window will be displayed, and the another way we can simply right click on that service offering instance under service, just select transfer ownership. The same window will get open here. So this is my current tenant, current organization of this service offering instance, SP requestable offering -17, and the current user is SP user, belongs to this BMC software tenant, and the tenant is mapped to this network container SP_NC. So now I'm going to change this owner. I'm going to change this owner to this new tenant, whose name is new organization. So I will provide the name of that of the user to whom I'm going to change transfer the SOA. So on clicking on search, I can see the user which belongs to this new organization. It will do this quota validation. So right now we have allocated the unlimited quota for the both users. So we can track the progress on the activities tab. Transfer ownership is in progress. The status of this SOI will be shown as transferring ownership. So if we click on refresh, you can see the status as transferring ownership. Yeah. Now you can see the service offering instance SP request role offering -17. The tenant and owner for this is changed. The tenant is changed to new organization that we have selected, and owner is new user. We can transfer the service offering instance only if it is in running or it is in a stop state. If we are transferring the ownership of a service to the cloud user belonging to the different tenant, ensure that network container is mapped to the target tenant on which the service offering instance will be provisioned. So we need to take care of the network container and tenant mapping before going for the transfer ownership. If we are transferring ownership to the new tenant, before we go for the transfer ownership, we need to map the new tenant to the NC where the SOI is provisioned. So I have already mapped this new organization to this network container.